What's going on, guys? Happy Monday. So every Monday I receive email from Empire Flippers pertaining to different businesses that are available for sale, and me and my team are always looking for KDP accounts to buy. But this particular business which has been listed actually caught my attention, mainly for two main reasons. Number one, the consistency that the entrepreneur has been using to publish books on a consistent basis, and second, for the amazing price that it has been listed for. It's about 3 million, 3 million and above. Okay, here it is. All right, that is the listing which I was talking about. So let's go and check and see how consistent the publisher has been. So $3,149,520. So that's the price this KDP business is gonna be sold for or listed for. And it was created in November 2019. The business features 9 Amazon KDP accounts with 450 books in ebook and physical format. So let's click and check out. All right, so here we are at the website of Empire Flippers, as you can see, and this is the business which is listed for an amazing price, $3,149,520. I've never seen a KDP business that has been priced for this incredible amount. All right, so I was asked a question by one of my clients or students asking me if we can have multiple KDP accounts or not, or multiple Amazon accounts. Yes, you can have, provided each and every account is under the name of a different entity or LLC company or corporation, and bank account. If you follow all these rules and regulations, you can have even hundreds of KDP accounts, because we do have clients that have more than 10, 12 KDP accounts as well. The highest one of my client has is 15 KDP accounts, all right? And this person out here is selling his KDP business by having 9 Amazon KDP accounts, all right? So it's got employee contracts, email list of 15,000 contacts, stored in get response. So amazing, just incredible. So as you can see, the average monthly revenue is $150,974, profit margin of 41%, and average monthly profit comes to $65,615. Incredible, just amazing, guys. So like, this person is in the lifestyle and culinary niches, and as it mentions here, most of which are on self-empowerment and cooking. The top-selling book has a 4.4-star rating and over 1,100 reviews. Business revenue, which has grown 6% over a year, is spread evenly across the books, with no book generating more than 12% of total revenue. The business has a team of 5 employees, consisting of a project manager who communicates with authors, designers, formatters, and other suppliers, a junior advertising manager who sets up ad campaigns, a senior advertising manager who optimizes ad bids and campaigns, a bookkeeping assistant, and a part-time developer. The business uses multiple KDP accounts for risk management, like I mentioned, because if you're going to be putting all your eggs in one basket, it's going to be very risky. So the smart thing to do is spread things out, if evenly, if it's possible. Separate entities are required for each account, like I was explaining earlier. So as long as you have a separate LLC company, separate bank account, you can have as many KDP accounts as you want. So it's mentioned here, one of the KDP accounts was previously suspended by Amazon accidentally, but was subsequently reinstated. Further details can be provided upon request. So what happens is, this does happen, but then the important thing is when you experience it in the business, and when you know that you haven't done anything wrong, there are ways to get your KDP account back and your account fully functional and reinstated. All right, some of the book content is written in German. Yes, German is also is an upcoming market, so it's going to be fantastic for whoever buys this, because this is it's a cash cow. Okay, so fantastic, just incredible. Average monthly net profit is $65,615. So this business is available for $3 million and above, and the details are here for you guys to see. All right, guys, that's it. So if you're still on the fence thinking of starting this business or not, well, you got all the proof and evidence right in front of your eyes. So like always, keep motivating and inspiring you all. So this is one other interesting video which you all should watch. And to answer the last question which I have, how many years has this business been in operation? So 3 years and 1 month old. So that's how long this business has been in operation, and it's still currently running. All right, guys, we'll be coming with more videos. Till then, you guys take care. Cheers.